That sounds good.
And this is Hanya. She's gonna be behind the cameras. Let's go now. Okay, come. Thank you, madam.
I'm not a madam. I haven't married yet.
Wait,
It's strawberry.
I put mine on top here first. Secret safe. Put there.
You wanna? Okay.
Let's go. Vietnam. Apa? Elsa? Elsa is not here. Elsa, she died already.
Yeah, she died already.
I'm correct. See? The set. This is the setup. So Hanya is going to show you around. Okay. So this is the dustbin. This is the sink.
Oh yeah, this is right.
Yeah.
I should
wash
have
your
my
hand.
hand here.
Yeah, okay. And then, oh, look at this. It's a zombie.
Zombie. Go on.
Okay, and then this is also a dustbin.
Not a dustbin.
Okay.
It's a barbecue.
So if you can see there.
Guys, that
Wait. There.
Yeah,
There
over
is
here.
people.
This is the back.
Hey, look at the.
This bird's been coming into the kitchen here to get out of here. You can get him. So show.
Okay.
Showcase over here.
Okay, so this is the barbecue stuff. See, I love barbecue. Oh, look at the fire. And then this.
Right now, what?
Weh, tengah jadi apa? Tak apa. Weh, ni apa?
What is that?
Ni. Ni?
Okay, this is my cousin. Okay, wait, and then
Eh, cannot, Maira. No, stop it. We got to go in that with my cousins. Let's go in. Toot. Death time.
I scared you guys. They're playing the wolf game, right?
Yeah, I know.
Okay, bye bye guys. See you tomorrow on day 30. And I think we're gonna do part 3. Bye bye. Bye. Yeah, also we're gonna be uploading the videos on Thursday because we need to go home.
We're not gonna end the video.
We are gonna play Mr. Wolf. What time is it?
No, I want to end the video.
See you guys. Bye bye. Peace out.